Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix WAN 185 error on Valorant. So the first step, what I suggest to do here, if you have plugged in controller, camera, or some sort of third-party peripheral, what I suggest to do here is to just unplug it and look if the problem persists, because for me it was this issue. My controller, I play FIFA, my controller was plugged in, and I know why, but I was getting this error. So unplug all the controllers, cameras, or whatsoever. Also, if you have hard drives connected to your computer, just unplug them as well. Another fix is to open up your browser. Then you need to just write Cloudflare VPN, and probably it will be the first link here. That is 1.1.1.1, and then you just need to download to your computer. Just save it to your desktop, right? Then just install like a normal app. And once it's installed, then before we launch the game, make sure Cloudflare VPN is on. It should be on your system tree here. Make sure it's connected, and then make sure to press on the gear icon here and use without a warp, right? Then launch the game and your issue should be solved. So that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comment section if it worked for you or not.